Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox the Dualshock 4 for the PlayStation 4. This is version 2 with midnight blue as a color, and we recently got this from the PlayStation promo. I think it's Play Safe or Safe Play for in this month of June, and I've been wanting to get an extra controller for me and my wife to play at together, and I found this at a very good price. I think it's about 2,000 pesos or around 40 bucks, which is normally around 3,000 or 5,000, 3,000 or 3,500 for this regular price. Now, I wanted to show this unboxing for you to see and maybe make a comparison video of the black one, the original black version 1 of my DualShock 4 and this one. So we'll compare and contrast what is the difference between the DualShock version 1 and version 2. Okay, so this is the box. So as you can see, it's well packaged. This is the original box. I bought this from Data Blitz, an official distributor of PlayStation products. So we have a window here. You can see the color. It's midnight blue, and this is the color that I've been wanting to buy for the longest time, aside from the glacial white and the metallic gray. So I didn't want to buy so much because PlayStation 5 is coming right around the corner. Okay, so this is my, as you can see, it's midnight blue. Okay, this is the top of the box and the back of the box. So we'll take a look at it. So it's all right. So what's the difference between the DualShock 1 and DualShock 2, or at least the version 1 and version 2 of DualShock 4? Okay, one of the main features that you will see later on is that here there's a light bar that you will see whenever you use your PlayStation. Unlike the old one, you will not be able to see that. So let's see if we can open this up and show it to you. Now I also bought another game, the Uncharted 4, the Thief's End, and it's also on sale, 765, which is usually retailed at around 1,200 pesos. So one of the games that I want to play. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, it's neatly packed. Now the negative thing about this one is, as I know, it doesn't come with the USB cable. So you have to use your old USB cable to be able to charge your DualShock 4. Okay, so you have the instruction manual here. Okay, so basically some instructions. So the model here is this one. Now the way to know if it's the version 2 or not is this one. Okay, so this one is CUHZCT2. Now in the DualShock 4 version 1, this is just ZCT or Zeta Charlie Tango, and the 2 is not present. Now the last digit is usually the region code. I think I got the US, that's why it's U. Okay, so that's one way to find out if you're buying a version 1 or a version 2. Okay, so I won't dive much into that, and let's go to the controller itself. So very nice packaging, and let us see. It's really nice to hold a new controller, isn't it? Okay, so this is the one. Very, very good looking, and blue is one of my favorite color. Okay, so it feels solid and rigid. Okay, so all the buttons are here. Okay, so now be careful, there's a lot of fake Sony controller in the market. Okay, so if you're gonna buy this at a very, very low price of, let's say, 500 to 600 pesos, chances are those are used or fake. Okay, so you have the buttons here. All right, so let's try to, you can see the grooves. Okay, very nice looking. All right, so let's try to there's no batteries. I have to charge this one. Okay, there's no batteries. And this is my black one. Pardon the dust. Okay, so there you go. So this is the original Dualshock 1. Okay, so in Dualshock 2, there's a light here. Okay, you won't be able to see it because it's without charge. Okay, and the model number, I'll show it to you. Okay, so if I can zoom it, there you go. So ZCT1, okay, standing for Dualshock version 1. All right, so guys, this is the quick unboxing video of the Dualshock Midnight Blue. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, if you like to support my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.